Okay, so there's a little bit of confusion on what engine injectors you want to buy. It's not that hard. I tell everyone, please just take me a photo. I can somehow see on the photo what component it is so that we can send you the correct stuff, especially if you're far away. Sending it with a courier with all those times going by with you need to wait for your parts and it comes there, it's incorrect. From the older generation ones up to the newer ones, the Kirloskar type as well. These are what you'll find in the field on the engines. You guys can tell me in the comments which one are which, maybe from what year to what year they've been manufactured. Can you still get parts? Give me some insight on what you guys think. These are what you'll find on your engines. I'm not going to go into deep with them because of you need to phone me and you need to ask me that question. I'm just not going to give it to you for free on the internet every single time. So please phone me. We'll explain to you what's what. Can you get parts? We keep all the parts from the first generation up until the very newest generation on the Deutz and the Kirloskar, and then also the Chinese imports. So yeah, give us a ring. These ones is what you'll find. Send us a photo. As you can clearly see, they are quite different. The nozzle tips, the nozzle sizes, those type of things. Give me a ring. I'll explain everything to you in a little bit more detailed or a little bit more depth. Thanks.